You are not going to believe this, but I just saved one of my clients over $2,000 a year with better coverage. And that's not even the craziest part of this month. Hi, I'm Michelle Kincaid with Kincaid Insurance Services and Integrity Mortgage. Despite everything happening in the California insurance market right now, there have been some serious wins. But let's be honest, the market is rough. Between higher interest rates, and yes, they're starting to finally dip just a little bit, and insurance premiums that feel like they've doubled overnight, it is a lot to take in. And then add in the recent LA fires, and now we got carriers pulling back even more, especially in high-risk areas. But here's the part that no one's talking about. People are still buying homes. People are still protecting their families, their investments, and their futures. Let me show you. This month, I helped T&J switch from MAP-free and saved them $947 a year, and we actually increased their coverage in the process. M&D moved over from Progressive, and they saved $849 a year. S&J, another Progressive switch, saved $478 annually, and RNC, they had it rough. Their home insurance, unfortunately, was non-renewed, but we pivoted, and I got them placed with the California Fair Plan plus a DIC with Mercury, bundled their auto with Mercury too, and guess what? That saved them $2,062 a year. We even added a personal umbrella policy for extra protection against uninsured drivers, and so it was a total win. And then there's a family in Wilton who wanted land and not only placed their home insurance for under $4,000 a year, also handled their conventional 30-year fixed mortgage. They came to me with a dream and we closed the deal. So great news. Here's what I want you to know. I've expanded. I now have access to 25 new insurance markets through a new wholesaler I have a new relationship with, plus 4 new direct carriers that are open to homes in wildfire zones and other tough to place areas. So if you've been told no, that doesn't mean it's the end of the road. I'll even pre-check your address to see if it fits the carrier's appetite. So there's no guessing, no waste of time. The guidelines are still very, very strict though. But if it's possible, I'll find a way and I will let you know. Now with wildfire season coming super fast, it's the perfect time to start preparing. And I have added a website down below from CAL FIRE. It's a guide on hardening your home. It's linked as readyforwildfire.org, and it's a great first step. And if you've ever felt unsure about what's actually in your homeowner's policy, I've recently just launched a 12-month homeowners education series. 1 quick email a month to help you understand what you're paying for, what's covered and what's not in plain language. And you should have already gotten your first one in this series. If you're not on the list yet, just message me or reply and I will get you added. So whether you're dealing with a non-renewal, thinking about bundling and saving, or buying a home in this unpredictable market, I'm here. Let's talk, let's strategize, and let's find your next win.